This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset the HMMF light in your Honda Fit. First, understand that this light signals it's time for a Honda Multimatic Fluid service, which is crucial for your transmission's health. Before you begin, make sure your car is parked securely on a flat surface. Then, turn your ignition key to the on position, but do not start the engine. This prepares the dashboard for the reset procedure. Now, locate the trip reset button on your dashboard, usually near the speedometer. Press and hold this button for approximately 10 seconds. You'll notice the maintenance light, or the HMMF light, will start to blink. This blinking confirms you've entered the reset mode. Once it starts blinking, release the button and then immediately press and hold it again for another 5 seconds. After holding the button for 5 seconds, the HMMF light should turn off completely. This indicates that the maintenance reminder has been successfully reset. If, for any reason, the light remains illuminated, simply repeat the entire procedure from the beginning, paying close attention to the timing. Remember, consistent fluid checks and timely changes are key to avoiding these warning lights in the future. To ensure your Honda Fit runs smoothly, always use genuine Honda Multimatic Fluid when performing service. This helps maintain your transmission's longevity and performance. For precise service intervals and other important details, always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual. And hey, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial health, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.